Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Developers Shala. My name is Ujjwal Singh and this is ApexSandbox.io challenge series. So in today's video we will solve problem number 94, safe navigation operator. So in our earlier video we have covered this Apex 101 and all the problems of this section, and we have also completed our database 101 section and all the problems of these sections. Okay. So let's see what's the problem is. So we have this method get account billing city with safe navigation, and which accepts a list of account as an input and returns the billing city in uppercase of the first accounts in the list. Okay, so we have these methods that accepts a list of account as an input parameters and returns the billing city in uppercase. So it returns the billing city in uppercase of the first account in the list. So if this account contains 10 records, so we have to returns the billing city in uppercase of first records in this list of accounts. Okay, then it also says that to use the safe navigation to ensure null is returns in a case of billing city is null. Okay, so we have to check whether the billing city is null or not. So if it's null, then we have to return null. If it's not, then we have to convert this billing city to uppercase and then returns that string. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So before starting, first let me tell you what exactly a safe navigation operator is. Okay, so earlier we to check whether the value of particular variable is null or not, so we use if condition here. So suppose we have this list of accounts and we need to check first accounts only. Okay, so I will use this and then I will use operator array operator index 0 is the first one, then I will use billing city. Okay, so to check whether this billing city is null or not, we simply use dot equal not operator and null. Okay, so what we are doing here is we are simply checking whether this billing city is not null. So we will only proceed further action when it's not null. So if it's null, then there is no sense of proceeding further. So in this way, we used to check whether the particular value is null or not. Okay, so if it's not null, then we will proceed further. Okay, but now we have a much more easier way, and that is safe navigation operator. So what safe navigation operator does is, so like if we use the existing one, we will simply return accounts 0 dot billing city. Okay, so in this way we used to I like it's the earlier syntax. In this way, like it's still working, but it's like uh 2 3 lines of a code. Okay, so now to do this the same thing in a much easier way, we use a safe navigation operator. Okay, so simply let me remove this. Yeah, so safe navigation operator, let's use this question mark dot. Okay, so what it does is, so whatever the variable is before this safe navigation operator, like question mark dot, it checks whether this variable is null or not. Okay, so it checks whether the accounts at like this billing city is null or not. If it nulls, it returns null. Okay, so it won't proceed further, but if it's not null, then it proceeds further actions. So let me convert this further as a uppercase, because we need to return the billing city in uppercase. So we will use this method as a uppercase to uppercase. This method is being used to convert the string to a uppercase. Okay, so here this navigation, this, yeah, so here in this safe navigation operator first checks whether this account billing is null or not. So if it's null, it simply returns null, but if it's not null, it proceeds for the further action. Okay, so it proceeds to convert this billing city to uppercase. So in this way, you can simply check whether the particular value is null or not with this safe navigator operator. Okay, and if it's null, then it simply returns null, and if it's not null, then it proceeds for the further actions. Okay. So our code is also completed. It's simply checking whether this billing city of first account, like we have a list of accounts and we need to check whether the first record in this list of account and the billing city of this record is null or not. If it's not null, if it's null, then we are simply returning null, and if it's not null, then we are converting it to uppercase. So this method is being used to convert to uppercase. Okay, so code is completed. Let's run it. Yeah, so all test case has been successfully executed. Okay, so in this way we can use this safe navigator operator so much more efficient way rather than using the if conditions. Okay, so that's it in this video. See you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.